Are you ready to score amazing deals on photography gear, electronics, and more? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find the best Adorama coupons, promo codes, and discounts, so you can save big on your next purchase. Whether you're a photographer, tech enthusiast, or looking for quality electronics, Adorama has incredible offers, and I'll guide you through how to unlock them. Step 1. First, head over to promosaver.net, your go-to site for the latest Adorama promo codes. I've made it super easy for you by leaving the link in the description and comments of this video. Just click and you're one step closer to amazing savings. Step 2. Browse through the available coupons and choose the one that works best for your shopping needs. Whether you're getting new cameras, accessories, or tech gear, there's always a discount waiting for you. I'll walk you through selecting the perfect offer for your purchase. Step 3. Once you've selected your promo code, apply it during checkout when making your payment. Watch your total drop instantly and enjoy huge savings right away. Don't wait, watch this video, grab your Adorama promo codes, and start saving on your next tech purchase. Get ready to enjoy unbeatable deals on high-quality products without breaking the bank. Happy shopping and enjoy the savings!